Hey, good morning guys. Ed Froelich here with Ocean Deep Fishing, and I want to welcome you this Friday morning. So it's been a while since I've been out, probably going on 3 months since I've been on the boat. So today was an opportunity. It's going to rain in the afternoon, but we're trying to get an early start, later than I wanted. But we're in Crystal River. We're going out of Pete's Pier. We launched at Pete's Pier. This is the Kings Bay right here that you see behind us. And we're heading out the river. Probably gonna try to go over by Gomez Rock area and see what's cooking. I heard there's a few Spanish mackerel. Might pick up some trout as well. But we're gonna see what happens throughout the day. So I have no plans. Like I said, this was just decided yesterday. I was going out come hell or high water. So wish me luck and follow me out there. As soon as we get out there and get set up, we'll bring it to you. Okay guys, we made it out here. We are at an area called Gomez Rock. It's also the area where they do scalloping over here on Crystal River side. So we're gonna do some drifting right now. There's a shallow reef. There's a shallow wreck that's not too far from here. We're gonna try this area first, and we're gonna drift toward the wreck. And then if we don't get anything in these two drifts, we'll probably head back over and go over to the reef. So, all right, this is what I'm using today, just a little spinning reel. I got 30-pound braided line. I got a 15-pound fluorocarbon. I've got a small offset circle hook, and we're going to be using a rattler, which is going to go on the top of the water. See what's up. If we catch any, if I get a nice sized pinfish or whatever, I'm going to put a line out the back. Hopefully for maybe a shark today. If we can get a shark. Peggy's never ate shark before, and it's been a long time since I've had one, so hopefully we're going to try to get one. So anyway, we're going to get bait up, put the lines out, and see what happens. If I get anything, I'll bring it on video. Wish us luck. You got a fish on. I'm not sure what it is yet.
Trading that gas guzzler for a new Kia gas vehicle, they get up to 50 miles per gallon. Kia hybrids get up to 70 miles per gallon, and the award-winning EV6,
it's a good fish.
Well, it doesn't use any gas at all. Your gas savings will make your monthly payment. And friendly Kia doesn't add any $5,000 to $10,000 market value adjustment to MSRP. That's not how we do it. You get no hassle and the best price up front, no gimmicks, no time credit. Friendly Kia, 5819 US Highway 19 in Newport Richie.
It's a little sharp. Shark. Good size shark.
You kind of fall because beauty's biggest event is here, with daily beauty steals of 50% off the must-haves from brands like Lancome and IT Cosmetics. 21 Days of Beauty has it all, happening at Ulta Beauty now through September 17th. Plus, discover new launches from Fenty Beauty and REM Beauty. So give yourself that new beauty feeling.
Okay. Nice little size. I want something maybe a little bigger. All right, we let him loose. He bent my hook a little bit. You can see he bent the hook a little bit. Anyway, hopefully I catch a shark just a little bit bigger than him. And later in the day, I forgot ice, so I don't want to hold them in a cooler all day with no ice. All right, let's see if we get another one. I think it's a little one. Hopefully it's a nice trout. He's pulling. Like a jack. I don't think it's a shark. It might be though. Let's see. Yeah, another shark. Well, this isn't a bonnet head. It's another. I'm not sure what shark it is. I don't know if you can see him. He's a little guy though again. There he is. All right, we're going to try to let him go. Okay. Dang it. He took my hook. He took my hook. That's what I was trying to avoid, but anyway. Alright, let's get another one on. Got another fish. Just screamed the line out. He doesn't feel too heavy. I think it's a trout or a ladyfish. Oh, it's a Spanish mackerel. It's a Spanish mackerel. Oh, gotta get the net. We got him. Woo! All right, nice Spanish mackerel. That's what I wanted to come out here. I heard they were running. All right, that one's going in the box for sure. Let's see. Get that. Man. Okay. All right, that's a nice one. They got to be 12 inches to the fork. I think he's going to be about 14. He's 15 and a half to the fork. So he's going to go in the box. All right, that's one. Hopefully get a few more of those. Since I got one, if we get another one, we'll probably do some trolling for them later on. There's a lot of weeds though, so I don't know how good that's going to do. But anyway, stick around. I got to put some water in this thing here for this mackerel, so I don't have any ice. I forgot to get a bag of ice. All right, hang on. Okay guys, I knew I was right, but I just wanted to double check. So I have an app called Fish Rules. I don't know if you can see that on there, but I brought up the Spanish mackerel. It's an open season. You can have 15 per person per day, and the minimum size is 12 inches to the fork. So that's a great app to have. Fish Rules it's called. And they're pretty accurate and they keep up to date, so something you can always check your fish on. And of course I have cell service, so if you're out in the middle of the ocean you better know it before you get there. because you won't get picked up. But anyway, let's get this other lines out and get going. All right guys, I got another little Spanish mackerel. Something was screwing with the bulb. I thought it was the weeds. It ended up being this little Spanish. I don't know if he's big enough or not. If he is, I'll keep him. If not, he's gonna go back. Let me see what he checks on. Yeah, he checked. He was 14 inches. I didn't know if he was gonna make 12, but he was 14. Yeah, I don't know what it is today, but every fish I've caught, except for the one, the Spanish mackerel, the first one, has been caught on this rig. Both rigs are identical, except for I have an orange shaker rattler here, and the other one is chartreuse. But I don't know, it's overcast day, so I don't know if that makes a difference, but they're really liking this color. So anyway, I'm going to rebait and put it back out again. Okay guys, just before I forget to tell you, in the description below I'll put a link to all this gear that I'm using if you want to check it out. These reels I've had for over a year, and I really like them. They're very smooth. They got a good drag system. They're very smooth reeling in, very quiet, and I really like them a lot. And I want to say I can't remember now, they're between 30 and 50 bucks, and they really go good. But anyway, I'll link everything that we're using today in the description below if you want to check it out. Okay, we got another fish on. I don't know, is that a shark? Yeah, another little bonnet head. Let's see. Get them loose. He bent my hook up pretty good on there, so I have to tie another one on. All right, another bonnet head. Too small to keep though. I got a little acrobatic fish on here. Got me a ladyfish. Poor man's tarpon, they say. Yeah. Oh man, quit shitting all over the boat. Yeah, he swallowed that hook too. We're gonna keep him for bait, for some chum, for some sharks. Makes good shark bait. Because I do want to try to get a shark before we go home today. All right, there it is, a ladyfish. They're fun to catch. They're good for bait. They're terrible for eating. Oh, man, pooped all over the boat. We got the poop cleaned up, so let's put them back out again. See what happens. We got some stuff coming up on the screen. Well, we've been getting some little hits, so I wanted to see if we get some live action here real quick. So I changed up a little bit. I'm using a jig head with a shrimp on it and jigging it off the bottom. So far all I've been catching is squirrel fish with it. All right, live action. Let's see what we get. Nibble, 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 nibble. They're going to town on that. Look at it. Look at that rod tip. Going crazy. All right, we got a little something. Oh, another little squirrel fish. Whoop. Squirrel fish. Those are good grouper bait, but we're not grouper fishing, so I'm just gonna let them go. I got a pinfish that I caught earlier. I'm going to try to use that for shark bait before we go home. All right, one more live action shot. Let's see what happens. I can see the bottom from here. Sun's up a little bit, so spotty bottom. Got my bait already. That was quick. Okay, guys, on these jigs, on the jig heads, what I'm doing is just breaking off the tail off the shrimp, and then I'm just taking it and I'm putting it down, putting it through there. So there's your presentation of the shrimp. I'm about to move again here in a minute to a new spot. Back over to where we were catching those Spanish mackerel. There's another rock pile close by there. See what we get on this one, then we're probably gonna make a move. See that tip going, tip, tip, tip. Tapping, tapping, tapping. All right, we got whatever it is now. There's a little one. Probably another squirrel fish. Yep. Squirrel fish, again, another one. Look, for you guys that never caught one, look at the colors of that fish. Look at the colors of that fish. It's pretty. Okay. Off he goes. All right, we're gonna make a move. Okay, guys, we're moved to another spot. We're right over by the rocks, Gomez Rock. I'm gonna see. We're trolling a little bit to see if we can pick up a Spanish mackerel. If Spanish mackerel hits trolling, then I'm gonna put another line out. Right now there's a lot of grass, so you gotta keep working. You gotta keep working the lures. Keep the grass off of it. So I'm just trolling this. It's a Rapala X-Wrap. A little green and gold minnow. It's mimicking the small Spanish mackerel that are here. Spanish mackerel will eat the babies. Feeling there's just going to be too much grass to do too much of this here, but I just figured we'll give it a few minutes and then I'm going to go back to drifting. We are in like 2.5 foot of water. We got another fish on here. I'm not sure what it is. It looks like a big old trout. Or is it a Spanish? Oh no, it's a big trout. I don't know if they're open or not. Oh shit. He's a good sized one too. Ooh. I'm gonna have to put him in the live well till I look and see. Man, that is a nice trout. Look at that. Look at that hog. I'm gonna put him in the live well for right now. Okay guys, this is what I tell you. Fish rules. Spotted sea trout, it's open season, it's 5 a person. Oh, it's got to be minimum 15 and maximum 19 inches. So let's measure this guy and see. All right, let's go see. Hopefully he's not over 19 inches. He is 18 inches. 15 to 19 inches, and he's 18 inches, so he's coming home. That's a nice fish. All right, I'm gonna put him in the box. When he dies, I'm gonna take a picture of him. Nice fish. Okay guys, I went in the shade because I couldn't see in the sun. So you're allowed, in the bag limit of 5 trout, speckled trout, you're allowed to keep 1 over 19 inches. So, but he's 18 inches, so we got 4 more to go. Stick around, see what happens. Another head shaker. I think it's another trout or a mackerel. Oh, looks like a Spanish. Yep, it's a Spanish. There we go. Spanish mackerel. And he's a keeper. He's eating coral or something on there. Whoa, 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 whoa. There he is. Another nice fish. You gotta be 12 to the fork. Yeah, he was 15 to the fork, so another one in the box. All right, turned out to be a pretty nice day. If I see the clouds building up, I'm gonna go head in because we've already got fish in the box. I want to try to catch a shark though to bring home, so we're gonna try to do that before we leave today. All right, I'll bring you the next one. It's turned out to be a little hot spot here. And it's like there's just a certain section over there that you that we're just drifting over. It seems to be really good, so I'm going to give it a few more minutes and I'm going to go back and drift over that section again. The bite slowed down a little bit from where it was, so that's kind of what you got to do sometimes. You know, you got to find the fish. That's where they were. They kind of quit biting now, so the next best thing to do is go back to where they were and try to drift again. All right, I'll bring you something if it comes. All right, we've got another fish. Feels like a trout. I don't know, it's a damn catfish. I can't go all day without catching one of these mothers. Hello, my friend. You slimy little. Oh well, I guess they go everywhere. Freaking catfish. I hate these suckers. All right, well, at least that's the first one for the day. We haven't been catching them like crazy, so. All right, hopefully the next one will be better. There's a trout. Look how pretty she is. It's going in the cooler, my lunch cooler. Trying to keep them cool as much as I can. So it says this is a special beacon that I came across in Crystal River. Not really sure. It's pretty flat out here. I just went over a little reef. I just wanted to see. It's 11 foot. I wanted to see if there might be a cobia around here. I just wanted to make sure I don't get stuck on a rock. But it looks like it's 12 foot. There's nothing on the bottom. It's just flat as a pancake. Ooh, that friggin' stinks. It's full of poop. And it's got a reek odor to it too. Guys, we stopped. We're in 11 foot of water. We're outside of the channel at the mouth of the Crystal River, and I'm gonna put a pinfish, live pinfish, on my Penn Battle 3 reel, and we're going to see if we can't get a shark. I'm going to fish only probably for no more than a half an hour because the clouds are starting to settle in, and I don't want to get stuck in a bad rainstorm if I don't have to. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and set this guy out and see if we can get a shark real quick to bring home. If we get a shark, that's the end of the fishing day. That'll be our go home fish. All right, so wish me luck. There's a boat I was looking at, thinking about it, because there's a cabin over there. It's a sea dory. They got one coming in. Jordan, this is for you. I want you to watch this as it goes by so you can see. It's pretty cool. So there it is, Jordan, a sea dory in Crystal River. It looks like they're going to go around the corner here on the Shell Island for an anchorage. Check it out. It's pretty cool. Okay, well guys, it's been a really good day today. Weather was beautiful. It's been a while since I've been out on the boat, like almost 3 months. So couldn't ask for anything better. The fish cooperated a little bit. Weather was beautiful. It's starting to cloud up now. That's why I headed in a little bit early. If you like this video, definitely please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already to our channel. We have a lot of great content on there. And share with your friends if you think somebody would like the content that we put out. Please share our videos. It goes a long way for us growing the channel. And then I have an announcement coming up that will let you help me in our channel without costing you anything out of your pocket, and it would help our channel to bring you more videos and to go out more and stuff like that. And that'll be in a later video, and then I will link all of our equipment that we used today in case you guys want to check it out. And I only recommend stuff that I've had for a while and I've used it, and I recommend it highly. A lot of stuff, sometimes you see stuff on the boat I haven't, or I used that I haven't put in the description. That's because I don't want you to waste your money on it. So anyway, all right, until we see you next time, take care, God bless. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Appreciate it.